How to apply in Medicaid for Georgia. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for georgia.gov. It will land you on this official page of Georgia. Now in here, what you want to do is tap on Services. Now in the search bar, you simply have to search for Medicaid. Now head over to Apply for Medicaid. It will land you on this page. It will provide you all the instructions on how you can apply. You need to read all of these instructions carefully. Now scroll down and different methods of applying to Medicaid will be visible to you. Well, if you want to apply online, then what you want to do is, you have to visit this website. After that, you have to provide all of the necessary details. And then follow the on-screen process. After that, your Medicaid in Georgia will be applied successfully. Here you also have the instruction in order to apply by phone, person, or mail. Simply follow these guidelines and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can apply for Medicaid in Georgia. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.